Lama team amancane dangerous mawudlala ama-cup game because they understand very well ukuthi they can't touch i-league and they can't touch i-CAF. So this is the best way for them to touch a silverware. It's by them winning or performing well kwi-Nedbank Cup naku Black Label Cup. They understand very well ukuthi i-CAF ne-league ngeke bayinuke. So this is the best way. So when as a big team, if you're being dragged to ama penalties, as a big team, if you're being dragged to extra time, you think ukuthi this is a win for you. You're tiring them out. Namachita ngayidlala look, I want to stress now. They know what the best way they can beat Mamelodi Sundowns and the best way they can beat a big team is by them winning kuma penalties. When I try to penetrate and try your best to win in 90 minutes, but shayla kuncane kona 90 minutes. But in terms of them, the team lawa are dangerous. Bazokudrega to ama penalty. They are going to drag you to my penalty, and that's where now you feel comfortable. Good to know, yes, in my penalty, I have probably the best keeper over South Africa. The best. We have Abu Mkwena. We have the best players, and we relax now. Now relax now. But one thing you need to know is my team lawa mancane anzima when it comes to ama cup games. And they understand that this is the best way for them to win a silverware. This is the best way for one to win a silverware. And they allow when you give them access to good extra time. When you give them access to good penalty, you are giving them time. You are accommodating them. Ulaws invite la khona induku. Uzibizela induku. That's what ungabizi induku. Shaya labafana, shaya. So much quality, so much national players. Mamelodi Sundowns. And you're telling me you can't penetrate that Maromo Gallants.